In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to quickly and efficiently convert hours into seconds using Snowflake, a cloud-based data warehousing service. Whether you're managing time-sensitive data or just need a quick conversion for a report, this straightforward method will come in handy. To start with, let's briefly touch upon the basics. Time conversion often requires us to switch between different units. In our case, we're converting from hours to seconds. Understanding this conversion is foundational. Since an hour is made up of 60 minutes and each minute contains 60 seconds, you've got 60 times 60 seconds per hour, which equals 3,600 seconds. This number, 3,600, is what you'll use to convert hours into seconds succinctly within your Snowflake queries. Now, let's move on to the specific task at hand. Suppose you need to convert a certain number of hours into seconds. Snowflake allows us to use SQL commands to accomplish this with ease. Let's illustrate this conversion by demonstrating a simple query. Imagine you're looking to convert 5 hours into seconds. The process is refreshingly simple, and using a straightforward SQL select statement in Snowflake, you can achieve this in no time. The syntax you'll be using starts with the select command, which is fundamental in SQL for querying data. This is followed by the arithmetic operation where you multiply the number of hours, in this example 5, by 3,600, our established conversion factor. This operation will effectively do the math for you, outputting the total number of seconds. So here's how your SQL query would look. Select 5. 3,600 as seconds. In this query, select is commanding Snowflake to perform this multiplication operation. Following the multiplication, you'll see the phrase as seconds. This part essentially labels or aliases the column in your result as seconds, which can be very helpful for clarity when reading your query's output. It identifies what the resulting number represents, making it easier for anyone else who reads your query's result to understand what that number means at a glance. Running this query in your Snowflake environment will provide you with the result: 18,000 seconds, which represents the equivalent of 5 hours. It's important to note that this straightforward method can be adapted to any number of hours you need to convert, not just 5. Simply replace the number 5 with whichever number of hours you're dealing with, and the query will adjust accordingly. This clear and concise approach is perfect for quickly converting time whenever you're handling SQL databases in Snowflake. It can significantly streamline how you manage temporal data, ensuring precision and efficiency in your data operations. Thank you for watching. I hope you found this explanation detailed and helpful. If you have any questions or need further clarification, feel free to reach out. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more tutorials like this.